going, everyone? My name is Hammer Time Adventures, and today I'm going to be eating this Papa John's banana pepper. Let's eat this. Just to let you know, Papa John's banana peppers are not supposed to be spicy at all. They're supposed to be kind of flavorful. This was recommended by pizza. I don't know. I just felt like doing this. So I'm going to take a bite out of this and say how flavorful and how spicy it is. So let's do this. Okay. Alright, so this definitely has a little bit of spice to it. Excuse me. It's kind of juicy, actually. Like, really juicy. And it has a ton of seeds in it. I'm not sure if you can tell, but oh my god. I am making a mess right now. I'm not going to get milk for this because I'm just going to look weak and pathetic. I'm just going to drool everywhere. So the banana pepper is pretty flavorful, a little bit spicy. But apparently for me, I am a huge wimp and can't handle anything anymore. So this has been a video of me eating a pepper raw. So this is Hammer Time Adventures. Peace out.